There is something in you that you do not want anyone to see. That thing has a guardian, and it is called shame. Guilt says I did something bad, but shame says I am something bad. Guilt is about behavior, and shame is about identity. And that is why shame is so much more devastating. How can you fix yourself when you believe the self is the flaw? Shame is powerful because it was designed to keep you in the tribe. For ancient humans, exile meant death, so shame feels like death. Your body responds to exposure as if your life is in danger. But the tribe you fear being exiled from no longer exists. Shame creates pain. Pain creates ego to hide the shame. Ego creates perfection to avoid exposure. Perfection creates exhaustion, and the cycle continues. Shame heals through being witnessed without rejection. When you reveal the hidden thing and are not rejected, when you let someone see you, really see you, and they do not run, the belief weakens. The fear loses its grip. You are not fundamentally defective. We're carrying wounds that were never your fault. Let yourself be seen and die empty.